Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live, Ravan screener indicator as well. Okay, so today we'll discuss regarding a new update which I did in Ravan screener indicator, right? In that we are using one supporting indicator TG ADX. I have updated that specific indicator. Initially it was a purple line, now we will see the blue line, RSI line. You can see here, it's already there on the chart. This blue line is RSI line. Okay, so what update I have did, that is like overbought zone and oversold zone. You can see here, this is a Bitcoin chart, right? You can see here the RSI is above 70 75, right? Then you can see this, the highlighter, this is highlighter indicates that overbought zone, green color, right? And same, it will be reflected on the chart on color purple color, right? This is the overbought area, right? You have to wait for the lower low candle and then you can book your profit. You can see here it is already make its high and then the candle close at lower low. You can book your profit over here, right? So if you want to leverage a trade, take the risk, then you can book your profit over here. If you are not risk taker, you can book your profit when you find any purple candle. Okay, this is for overbought area. These are the candles will be reflected and this will be highlighted over here. Okay, so this indicator is fully customizable. Let me show you first what are the settings I have made as default. So you will find in TG ADX settings, you will have to go to the input section. There you will find overbought and oversold area, right? See, overbought I have kept as default is 75 and oversold area I have kept as 25, right? So you can customize it as well, 70-30 ratio also you can keep, depends on your requirement, you can update it, right? Sorry. And you can make sure you keep the save as default option, so it helps you to save the settings whatever you're doing in for future reference. Okay, and then press the OK, right? Same you can see here an overbought area, it will highlight as a green color and above chart will be highlighted as a purple color. White color you also already guys know, it is for sideways market. Whenever this blue line, sky blue line is in between 60-40 zone, you will find white candles that indicates the market is sideways range bound. Okay, you can see also here, you can see here is also the highlight, right? This is also highlight of 75 overbought zone. This is also overbought zone. Let's see the oversold zone. You can see the sell signal, all conditions match you here. You can see RSI, DA plus DA minus, and trade is perfect. And you can see here the oversold portion you will see here, the highlight will be red below and on chart it will be highlighted as blue color, blue candle. Okay, so guys, please understand this well and then you can go for a trading. It will be really beneficial to you and book your profit, large amount of profit to be specific, right? You can see past data. Let me see. Okay, you can see he is also the oversold portion, right? It will be automatically come and highlight on the chart. You can see here, this is the big move, sell signal, and you can see the oversold portion, right? Sorry guys. So again, happy new year to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing well and stay connected. I've created a group for future updates and everything, future indicator, new indicator launch and everything. So you can join the group. Mostly if you still have any confusion in the indicator, you can feel free to talk to me. I'm here to guide you each and every step. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your time. I hope everything is understood. Overbought zone and oversold zone is understood. Okay. Overbought you will see purple candles. Oversold zone you will see blue candles. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks a lot.